Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of gear for anyone involved in stage lighting, audio production, or live sound. The FOD-EXAZY 3 pin-balanced shielded DMX male to female stage lighting cable. This isn't just any cable. It's engineered to deliver optimal performance and reliability across a multitude of applications. One of the most impressive aspects of this cable is its commitment to signal integrity. Thanks to its robust shielding, it effectively isolates any interference, ensuring that your signals remain strong and clear, even over extended transmission distances. Whether you're sending DMX commands to your DJ LED lights or transmitting delicate audio signals in a recording studio, you can trust that the signal will arrive uncompromised. The design of the FOD-EXAZY cable also prioritizes practicality. It features a flexible PVC jacket, which makes wiring your setup incredibly straightforward. This flexibility means it can be easily routed around obstacles, and then neatly coiled and picked up once your event or session is complete, saving valuable time and effort. For those who need a bit more reach, the generous length of 9.8 feet, or 3 meters, is a significant advantage. This extended length provides ample room for connecting devices without the need for cumbersome extensions, a feature that experienced DJs and audio engineers will undoubtedly appreciate for its convenience and reduced clutter. What truly sets these DMX cables apart is their remarkable versatility. Beyond their primary role in stage lighting, they are indispensable tools in recording studios, for microphone mixers, and within loudspeaker systems. Their strong anti-interference capabilities are not limited to DMX. They also ensure dependable audio transmission, delivering great sound quality for audio engineers of all experience levels. They're compatible with a wide range of devices, from microphones and mixers to LED lights and even projectors, making them incredibly adaptable for various setups. Finally, the construction of these FOD-EXAZY cables speaks to their overall excellence. They come equipped with sturdy yet flexible 3-pin XLR connectors that are designed for simple linking and disconnecting. This ease of use, combined with their robust build, ensures a reliable connection every single time. These cables are truly built to send signals dependably from one place to another, providing peace of mind for any professional or enthusiast. If you're in the market for a high-quality, versatile, and durable cable that complies with XLR standards, the FOD-EXAZY DMX XLR cable is an exceptional choice that promises optimal signal performance and reliable connections for all your needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.